talking about the Shutterbuddy today. This is a revolutionary little inexpensive piece to add to your fiber optic cleaning kit when you add opticalCON connectors to your connectivity solution. Little hole here, put on a keychain, even carry it with you. What does this do for us? Now, typically in opticalCON, you're going to pull this connector apart. You're going to unscrew this housing. You're going to get the nose of the connector off to expose the insides. You know, we don't necessarily need you doing that, especially if you're in an environment where there's a lot of dust and contamination. The shutter system inside the opticalCON is really good at helping mitigate any kind of contamination. But we need that out of the way in order to properly care for our fiber ferrules. This Shutterbuddy allows us to grab hold of one hand, expose those ferrules, and get in there with our cleaning solution, and give it the cleaning it needs, and re-engage the shutter. And obviously when you're storing these guys, you need to keep your cap on there. This solution works also for the quad, as well as the MTP. Great tool to make it very easy for spot maintenance of your opticalCON cables.